Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video I'll be sharing my analysis on the weekly chart of USD Japanese Yen, USD JPY, and you may be thinking why I'm sharing the analysis on weekly chart today, because I always bring video on daily basis. Okay. The importance of this video is that most of the time or many times we see that once we place the buy order, our trades uh, go against us. Okay, once we place the buy order, it gives us a red candle, and if we go for sell order, we set it out, our trade starts going upside. Okay, and we do not know, or we try to find the answer, but we end up with nothing. Okay, we think that market is gamble, we try to switch to other indicators to find the answers, but ultimately we fail because we are not aware of the bigger picture, the picture where the main players, the big players trade. Okay, and we all know it very well that market is run by big players like the banks, hedge funds. We do not decide the trend of the market. Okay, so it is very important to know the demand and supply zone of the big players, and that sub that is only you can see on the higher time frame. Okay, therefore in this video I'll analyze the chart on weekly basis, on weekly time frame, sorry, weekly time frame, because of from today onwards, whenever you will be trading on US dollar Japanese yen, just keep in mind that whether you're trading on 1 hour, 4 hours, 15 minutes, doesn't matter. Just keep in mind that there is a time frame of the big players. Okay, where there are certain price levels that you should not mess with. Okay, so let's jump into the chart. So we can see that we have the chart of US dollar Japanese yen in front of us from 2010 onwards. From 2012, market had a huge jump. Just look at the huge jump of the market, and the rally continued till 2015. Okay, mid 2015, and from there it came down. Okay, it took support here. Okay, it took support here. This level is also important for us. Okay, I forgot to mark this level. Horizontal line. Now we have the horizontal line. Okay, so market fell, took support. Okay, took support, and then market went up again. And after that, we see that since 2017 onwards, market is in a kind of in a range. Okay, you can see that market is making highs, but they are not higher highs. Market is making higher lows. Okay, and just look at this, and we can join these highs with the help of a trend line. And right now, you can see that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, let me zoom in the chart so that you can understand better. So you can see market is following this trend line since 2017 onwards. Since 2017, market is following this trend line, and right now it's 2021, and market is just at the trend line. So we need to observe for next couple of days how the market reacts. There, see, following this trend, market may reverse from this point. Okay, if market reverses from here, and if we get a confirmation in the form of a shooting star or a big red candle, okay, then we can short the market for some good profit. Okay. Or when market will be going down like this, then we will be only looking for shorting opportunities only, because market is reversing. And if market reverses from here, then the next support is available at either at this trend line or at this level, 100.50 level. So for US dollar Japanese yen, unlike the other currency pairs, it is in a it is it is following a trend line. So this trend line, okay, this trend line is important, and just keep a note of checking this trend line from time to time. Okay, right now you can see that market is just standing at the resistance. So if after 1 week we see that market is reversing from there, then from the next coming weeks we will mainly looking for shorting USD Japanese yen. Okay. And when the USD Japanese yen will be reaching this 100.50 level, again we need to be very cautious, because when market fell big time from the above, it took resistance at the 100 level. Okay, so when market will be reaching the 100 level, we just need to observe market, observe USD Japanese yen, and need to be very careful, because there is a good amount of possibility that market will reverse from 100 level. If market reverses from 100 level, okay, then well and good. Again, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, but we will not be shorting the market at 100 level, and we will not go for long position at this level of USD Japanese yen. Okay. So this is the main purpose of analyzing the chart on higher time frame, because there are certain levels on the market that we should not, as I mentioned earlier, mess with. Okay, because see, they have got the money, they run the market, they decide the direction of the market. We just follow their footprints. That's it. Therefore, it is very essential to follow their footprints, and to follow their footprints you need to have discipline. Okay, so do not trade market on blindly. Okay, just observe the market in these trend lines and these 100 levels. So these are the three levels, okay, that you need to keep your eyes on US dollar Japanese yen on weekly chart, because this is the chart of the big players who decide the direction of the market. And from now today onwards, your usual day-to-day trades will go on as it is, but just keep in mind that there are certain price levels in the market that is the main supply and demand zones of the big players. So this is the main purpose of bringing down the analysis of the on higher time frame. Otherwise, you know me very well, I bring videos on daily basis, so that you can go for day trading. Okay, but you should also know that there are certain price levels that we must be aware of. If you're a trader, you should know the whole picture. Therefore, hopefully you have understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I know I don't have a professional setup, my videos are crappy. I do not get time to make professional videos and edit my videos, so I apologize for that. Okay, but for good content you can subscribe to my channel. I give my best shot so that you do not make loss, and I try my best so that you earn money and you also learn. Okay, so in my each and every video I try to explain where you should buy and why you should buy, where you should sell and why you should sell. Okay, so thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye.